Okay, so I'm going to show you how to take apart the rear piston. It has a retainer spring. It has a retainer spring in it. And it's got a little lip on the inside. I'll show you how to pull this spring out. You just put a screwdriver in behind the spring, give it a little pressure, push down. You gotta use a little screwdriver and just pry that spring out. And then it should pop right out. A little spring should pop right out. And just work it all the way around. Alright, now we're apart. And we can just pull it apart. Just pull this guy out. Get you a pair of pliers. And there's a seal in here. And it comes in the kit when you repair. Okay. There's a retainer washer. There's your ball bearing. And there's that seal. And they come in the kit. And I have a kit. So we want this seal here. If you can see, this is the groove. It looks like there's two seals there, and this is solid on the bottom, and that's exactly how we want to put it on, with this facing up. And what I mean by up is this is up, and you can see the seal there. And as you can see, that's the upside. Okay. Alright, now that we got everything cleaned up, we're going to put some Seal Glide on it. Just a little bit will do ya. And remember, that double side goes up. I'll put a little bit more on it. Drop it back in our piston. Very nice. We'll put a bit of lube on our bearing. Put that in our piston. Take my excess and put it on the washer. Drop it in place. Now comes the tricky part. Putting that spring back in. Now, if you look at this spring, the big side faces up. And what I mean by up, same thing as I did with that screw. This is up. This is up. So it's going to go in here like this. And just like you would put a tire on a rim, that's what we're going to do with this spring. I got my little screwdriver, and I'm just going to put it against that post, go against that groove, and then compress that spring into that groove. This is a bear for the first time you ever do it, or a couple times that you've done it. So I put it in there just like I would do changing a tire. Go around that groove. And that's all there is to it. Now you got one refurbished piston. You just got to duplicate the other side. Okay.